My mom's younger brother, Mr. Manmohan Kapoor, he's a resident at the Utsav Care Home. In 2008, he slipped in the toilet and apparently fractured his hip bone. But because of his condition that he's an epileptic patient, he could not be operated upon. So he's been physically disabled as well. And being a dementia patient, my uncle would wake up at night. He would, have epileptic attacks. There were emergencies, medical emergencies, and there was, we had to rush to take ambulances and doctors. So it was a absolute struggle to look after him. At some point in time, then we came to hear about Utsav Care Home. Ashiana Utsav gives a 100% solution. From an active, independent senior citizen living, they also have the Utsav Care Home, where they do provide 24/7 assisted living. So we went, we saw the facility, and the first thing, of course, which you observe is the physical setup, which was very beautiful because it's very green, very beautifully landscaped. You just feel good when you first kind of drive into that place. As soon as we entered and we saw the place, I think my mom and I felt, at least physically, this is the kind of standard and comfort we would like to provide to my uncle. And another thing which we of course realized was that, I go to work, my mother is very busy with managing the house, so he was very lonely. There was no company. But in Utsav, there is so much buzz. There are so many activities. They have a structured routine in terms of the diet and also the activities. So we found that there was a perceptive improvement in him in terms of his mental abilities. When I have been out of station and a medical emergencies happen, and at that point in time you need somebody to arrange an ambulance, get him admitted in the hospital, Utsav is fully equipped to do that. They have nurses, they have caregivers, all of whom then accompany him to the hospital, get him admitted. There's a total peace of mind with that arrangement.
In Utsav Care Home, they take very good care also. We are thankful to them for that. Now they are just like our family members, all of them. We trust them and we are thankful to them.